Hey, welcome. Did you lose the quality of your logo, or have you low-resolution logos? Don't worry, this is the super solution. First, place the image in Adobe Illustrator. Then let's check the resolution. Look. It can't be zoomed because of the low resolution. Now let's go to the super solution. Go to the Window tab and get the Image Trace window. Next, apply the black and white mode and preview trace result. Wow! Now you can see the traced result. Now adjust the threshold, paths, corners, and noise levels. Then ignore white. Now let's check the resolution. Let's zoom it. Now you can't see pixels. It means it has vectorized. Now you can zoom and zoom without any quality lose. Next, expand the image. Then right-click and ungroup the image. Now you can customize the vector image with Adobe Illustrator tools. Finally, change the color as you like. This is the best and super easy technique for trace an image. If you learned something, please subscribe the channel. Perfect Vector. Have a good day. Thank you.